Buckle up! In today's video, I have a major update to share with you regarding Nuburu. They just dropped some exciting news. Before I begin, do me a favor, be sure to smash that like button. It only takes a few seconds and I really would appreciate it. Also, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new so you don't miss out on future videos. Keep in mind, this is not financial advice, videos only for entertainment purposes. Now, let's get right into it, guys. So the company I want to bring to your attention today is Nuburu Inc. And this company trades on the New York Stock Exchange under ticker symbol BURU. Now, just as a quick refresher, Nuburu is leading the transformation to a world of high-speed, high-quality metal machining and processing. Nuburu's groundbreaking blue laser technology has defined a new class of high-power, high-performance blue lasers, starting with the standard AO laser and the highest brightness BL series lasers, which each enable radical gains in speed and quality for metal processing. Now, let's go over the major news they just dropped. So on October 7th, Nuburu Inc. announced a comprehensive funding program of approximately $65 million, including $15 million of direct investments and $50 million of equity line of credit. This funding represents a pivotal moment for Nuburu, enabling them to accelerate the commercialization with predictable access to capital. This financing provides both an immediate capital infusion and access to a long-term capital facility to support their strategic goal of long-term sustainable growth. These infusions, combined with their robust IP portfolio, position them to achieve commercialization and continue to advance and expand their IP portfolio. Now, for the people that don't know, Nuburu's innovative blue laser technology is protected by 233 patents and includes both public and private sector applications. Their strategic partnerships include past and active contracts with NASA and the U.S. Air Force, all which validate their innovations and underscore the value of their technology. Guys, this is a huge victory for Nuburu Inc. In fact, if we take a look at the stock chart, you can see that the stock is already beginning to heat up on this amazing news. The stock volume has also been going absolutely crazy. The fact that they secured access to an equity line of credit and a huge direct investment means that Nuburu can finally continue to innovate and continue to advance and expand their IP portfolio. This is one of my favorite stocks this week and one that you need to put on your radar as soon as possible. Make sure you guys share this with everyone you know and do some research. I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell, just do your research. Personally, I like the setup I am seeing, and since the news just dropped literally moments ago, I think this could be the perfect time to add this one to your watch list.